Can you go and hide? Hide. Run. No need. Just run. Hide. Go and hide. Ah. Good.
At
Yay.
least I got it in the place.
Yeah. What is that?
At least I got it in the place, or it might get crashed.
So did you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Did you enjoy everything that you did?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.